Greetings! Welcome back to this channel, where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is Jave Gale. For more information about me, you can check the description box below. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, it's 5 o'clock Jamaican time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
The good news about Jesus, as according to Matthew chapter 9, from verse 14 to verse 17. Then John followed them, come ask Jesus, say, how comes we and the Pharisees them keep away from food for worship God? But for your follower them, don't do that. Jesus said to them, say, you think say the people them were the bridegroom for invite can a long down them face and sad up themselves when the bridegroom them amongst them? The time I come when the bridegroom I got gone away from them. At that time that them will keep away from food. Nobody no take new cloth and soap and old clothes, you know. Cause the Patwa got tear off of the clothes. And then the first tear, I got wash her off. And nobody no put new wine in a old wine bottle neither. If I saw, the wine bottle them I got bust up. The wine I got dash away. And the wine bottle them I got mash up. What people do, I put new wine in a new wine bottle. And the two of them, the bottle and the wine, will alright. I God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.